If you're seeing an out of service message on your AMS vending machine, go to the back door panel and click the service mode button. Then go to the front of the machine and click 0 to clear errors, and continue clicking 0 until you see accounting data. Once you see accounting data, go ahead and go back to the back access panel and click the service mode button again to take it out of service mode. Now, specifically, the HS1 error shown in this video is temperature related. What we suggest you do is turn off the health safety temperature settings by setting the temperature to 42 degrees. Setting the temperature to 42 degrees will disable the health safety settings on this machine. To set the temperature at 42 degrees, you go back into the service mode, scroll down to temperature using the pound key, press 2 for set point, then press the number 1 key to toggle up the temperature to 42 degrees, and click star or asterisk to save. Once you've saved, you should see a message that says health safety disabled. Once the temperature has been saved, go ahead and click the service mode button again to exit service mode. If the errors have been properly cleared, you should see guaranteed delivery on the front LCD screen on the vending machine. If the out of service message persists or continues after you've cleared the errors, please contact our support department at CandyMachines.com.